everyone. This is Yuraj from Avatar Aviation. Today I'm going to demonstrate our fiber optic drone over here. This is the conventional drone. We have used the material which is available in the market. One of the highlights is we have done this project in 40 hours. Yes, for our Indian Army. And with the help of them, of course, Indian Army people also, they came here to our office and they have helped us a lot in building this thing. And we have programmed and completed a test of less than 48 hours. So here is our fiber optic spool over here. We have made a test flight for about a couple of times. And over here we have all the setup, like the laptop, the mission planner is there. I have made a small mission plan over here, you can see. And I have set the altitude for only about 4 meters. So I don't want to get into too much of height. It's just a proof of concept. The entire project is done only for the proof of concept. Here is the spool of fiber optic, which has a distance of 3 kilometers right now. With this setup, you can increase the range up to 20 kilometers. So you don't want to use any radio controls over it, so that nobody can jam this drone. And if the fiber optic spool breaks down, what happens? Don't worry, whatever the mission you have fed into it, it will complete it. Or if you want to return to your base, it will return. Either you have two options, whether instantly if it gets cuts, it comes to your base instantly, or else it will complete the mission and come back to your base. So one more thing, I have a small camera over it, and we are getting the feed through this fiber optic. That is an added advantage. What are the things it's more than of a radio. You can control n number of channels with this. And let's have a quick demo. So I'm going to arm it. Hardware safety switch. I don't want to touch the drone anymore.
Heading to waypoint 1.
Sorry, right now I didn't get connected. Right now it got connected. So again, here I'm going to take an action to turn on the hardware safety switch. It is turned on. The drone is silent, so it's turned on. So I'm going to make it
mode change to loiter.
I have changed to loiter mode. Start, and I'm arming it.
Warning,
it is
arming
armed,
checks disabled.
And I'm going to start the mission. Mission started.
Warning, arming checks disabled.
I'm not taking anywhere. I have just made a plan, like it is following through it. It is taking all the way, and we have fed all the signals or whatever the data through this fiber optic. Thanks to the particular commanding officer of the particular regiment and their team for giving us an opportunity to develop this drone. And yes, of course, with this concept, kamikaze drones, payload drones, property drones, or whatever the drones we want to have without any jamming system. Thank you. Jai Hind.